Welcome back to Daytime Live. So it's the eve of New Year's Eve, and earlier we were talking about, New Year's resolutions for 2023. What we didn't talk about was how we planned to actually achieve these resolutions. So,
yes, and here to talk with us about that is business coach and lecturer Erica Donaldson. Welcome, Erica.
Thank you for having me, ladies.
Listen, you look fabulous. I love the red and the black and the gold. It's very appropriate.
I feel like we kind of planned because she can't, All right.
Here.
So, Erica, we're very interested in getting all the information we can. So the first thing we want to know is, what's the difference between planning and making New Year's resolutions?
Okay. All right. So it's a good question. And I don't think I've ever gotten that question before either. But when it comes down to resolution, whatever it is, planning is important. So planning would be the next step. So the first thing is to know what it is that I want. Would you agree?
Yeah.
But for me, I don't believe in resolutions.
What do you believe in?
Goals.
What's the difference?
So resolutions, you see, guys, will drive you into stress and depression because we tend to put a lot of pressure on ourselves wanting to achieve all these things, and also within a very short time span. And many persons will say they will decide what it is that they want to achieve for their New Year's resolution, and they leave it at that. It finished until the end of the year. Oh, did I do it? But goal is a more serious business, if you understand what I mean. So we want to establish our goals, and then what we're going to do is to ensure that we develop our action plan in line with that.
Yeah, I was just because you just said planning is very, very important.
Right.
And I hear people say a lot of times that it's really valuable for you to write something down. You know what I'm saying? How do we actually benefit from planning ahead?
All right, so the first thing, I like the fact that you mentioned writing it down. So whether or not you want to do digital, because some persons are like that.
I prefer.
For me, I love the feel of a pen in my hand.
Me too.
And I love the book and you name it. So when we write, what we're doing is that we're giving life to the things that we want to achieve. You ever meet some people and today they have a goal and they have a dream? I have a dream. Is them 2 years from now and they still have the dream? Are you still waiting on them to wake up and they don't start as yet?
Like, what's the first step? I don't know, but...
Right. So you want to start with